Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. Generating a bibliography can be really tough, so why not let Scholarcy do the work for you? Let's take a look how. So I finished reading this interesting article and I wish to generate its bibliography in Microsoft Word. All I have to do to complete this is head over to the export button, make sure that I have Word selected from the drop-down menu, and then click download. Once the file is ready, we can click onto the download. It will open up in Word, and at the very bottom we'll have the entire reference list available to us. If you wish, you're able to change the citation style guide that's used for your reference list. To do so, let's head over to the Settings tab, and then click on to Export. From here, you can choose the citation format from this drop-down menu. We've got APA, Vancouver, and Harvard at the moment. You're also able to change the file name. At the moment, I've got mine set to author, short title, and year. You can change it to the original file name or the full title, however you choose to go. So just like that, you can generate a bibliography from any article and have that exported to Microsoft Word. I hope that helps, but if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them into the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching.